Today it's the 15th of September 2023. Here's Trillakatu 3, Trillakatu. Stage A, we have filmed the stage A before. We'll have to come back to the stage B later because the code is impossible. But
yeah.
We can try later. And the capacity is 8 persons or 630 grams. The symbol is 15248 and it was built at the turn of the year 2001-2002. Or could also be late 2001, finished in 2002. Will be expected in the next year, 2024, and well, the 5th floor is top floor here. It's here in Chilo in Espoo, Healthcare's host region, also modernized Finland, close to Alberta. Only one station on the commuter train from Leppävaara, and unfortunately the logo has been ripped off.
Yeah.
I think, well, yeah, this doesn't have the store button, but the first floor is probably the main road. It's really strange that it has a decimal for choosing a half floor,
yeah.
And it doesn't have the star button for the main floor.
Spektiit paikkivaisi, mutta me teen paikkoon.
It is weird that it doesn't have the star button for the main floor. Well, I'm not sure what that figure is, but is that, you know, it's not that number button, but it's this other one. I'm not sure if that's what is the star button.
Yeah.
They have them on there. It's the main floor for it, but here it doesn't have it.
Yeah.
I like the interior and the smell here.
Same here.
There's a lot, but has this yellow circle.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope we can get to the second speed later.
That's